Hey guys, this is day 3 of documenting my life at IIT Bombay, and the question today is, how do you feel today compared to day 1? I feel a little better because I ate today ghar ka food, and also I found things that I like here. I like the gym, and I went to gym and explored today a lot of, and this is what I saw today. This is the first time I am going to go to the IIT Bombay gym. I hope it's a place I'll be always to. Let's see. What's one small win that I had? I took steps. I didn't wait for anyone to come with me. I went forward and I did what I wanted to do. I went to the gym, I explored, and I have walked this many steps today. And I think I feel happy for that. Did I talk to someone new? What did I learn about them? Yes, I did talk to my floor mate and I really liked her. When did I feel most like I belong today? Okay, I felt that way in the gym and cafe maybe. What challenged me the most? Taking up the courage to go to a new gym, a new place where there are all seniors, filled places today. So I think I mean it was a wrong English, मतलब एक ऐसी जगह कहीं जहाँ पे मैं अनोन थी और I took up this courage to go alone and just face it, and I did. Did I do something I really thought? Yes, this is what made me proud. Finally, taking up time to go search for. I think I went 3 times to the gym this time. I went in the early morning. I inquired about it. It was closed. I went to the afternoon. In the afternoon time, then also I realized it was closed. And then in the evening, again I went, and finally the gym was open. What did I learn outside the classroom? I think you should find things that make you happy, things that make you feel that your day has been made productive is the only source to the happiness. I'm sorry if it's wrong. What's one thing that I want to improve tomorrow? I want to be consistent uh, in doing workout also, and also in academics also. I hope I manage everything. If future me watch this clip, what will I want them to remember about day 3? That you finally took the courage, you went to the gym. I'm just talking about gym, and you also explored a lot of things today. Day 3, finally still figuring out. But maybe that's exactly what this journey is supposed to feel like. Bye bye. So I got my ID card done, and yesterday night I took the courage. I stepped forward and met with few more people who were interested in content creation like me, and we discussed about our interests. And I think I did happen to have the confidence and that courage to speak and communicate. I think I have that in me somewhere, and I hope I participate in such